Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about 2D coordinate system JMS pattern, level 1 type question models. The questions are missing vertices. Question number 27. If the points a plus b comma a minus b, 2a plus b comma 2a minus b, a minus b comma a plus b are the consecutive vertices of a parallelogram, then the fourth vertex. These are the four options. Here, this is the diagram, parallelogram. Let ABCD is a parallelogram, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, to find the fourth vertex, D. Let A equal to a plus b, comma a minus b, b equal to 2a plus b, comma 2a plus b, comma 2a minus b, c equal to a minus b, comma a plus b. Here to find fourth vertex, let D equal to fourth vertex. In this diagram, this is a quadrilateral. Here the diagonals bisect each other in parallelogram. In D, opposite vertex is B. B is subtracted. The fourth vertex D is equal to remaining two vertices, add A plus C minus B. A plus C minus B. In A, x coordinate is a plus b. In A, x coordinate is a plus b. C, the x coordinate is a minus b. A minus b. In B, x coordinates 2a plus b. Multiply with minus 2a minus b. Minus 2a minus b. Next, y coordinate. In A, the y coordinate is a minus b. In C, the y coordinate is a plus b. In B, the y coordinate is 2a minus b. Here minus is there, multiply with minus 2a minus plus b. Minus 2a plus b. Here plus b minus b get cancelled. A plus a, 2a plus 2a minus 2a get cancelled. Here minus b is there. Minus b, comma minus b plus b get cancelled. A plus a, 2a, a plus a, 2a plus 2a minus 2a can get cancelled. Here plus b is there. Fourth vertex is equal to minus b, comma b. The third option is correct. Question number 28. If p equal to 1 comma 2, q equal to 4 comma 6, r equal to 5 comma 7, s equal to a comma b are the vertices of a parallelogram PQRS. Here the four options are given. To find here the fourth vertex s is equal to a comma b. To find a and b values. Here this is the PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. Here the vertices of the coordinates are given. P equal to 1 comma 2, Q equal to 4 comma 6, R equal to 5 comma 7, S equal to A comma B. Okay. Here to find S value, the opposite vertex is Q. This is subtracted. S equal to P plus R minus Q. The S coordinates are A comma B. S coordinates S equal to A comma B. Here P, the x coordinate is 1. In R, the x coordinate is 5. In Q, the x coordinate 4 minus 4, comma In P, y coordinate is 2. In R, y coordinate 7. In Q, y coordinate is 6, minus 6. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 2 comma 3. A comma B equal to 2 comma 3. Here A equal to 2, B equal to 3. Third option is correct. A equal to 2, B equal to 3. Question number 29. If 2 comma 4, 2 comma 6 are two vertices of an equilateral triangle, then the third vertex is, these are the four options given. Here one concept, this is the concept, capital A equal to x1 comma y1 and B equal to x2 comma y2 are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. These are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Then find the third vertex. This is the formula. x1 plus x2 plus r minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 minus r plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2. This is the formula. Here, in equilateral triangle, let capital A equal to 2 comma 4, x1 y1, capital B equal to 2 comma 6, x2 y2, let C is equal to third vertex. In this question, the triangle is equilateral triangle. To apply the formula, third vertex, x1 plus x2 plus r minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 minus r plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2. This is the formula. Apply the values. x1 plus x2. Here x1 is 2, x2 is 2. 2 plus 2. Directly apply. x1 is 2. x2 is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus r minus root 3 into y1 minus y2. 4. y1 value 4. y2 value 6. 4 minus 6. This is the highest value. Minus 6. 4 minus 6 minus 2. Root 3 into minus 2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2. y1 equal to 4. y2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 6, 10. Minus r plus x1 2. x2 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Root 3 into 0 by 2. Root 3 into any number. Root 3 into 0. 0 into any number is 0. Here 2 is the common. 2 is the common. 2 plus r minus root 3 into minus 1. 2 is the common by 2. 2 get cancelled. Here 0 into any number is 0. 10 by 2. Here two values, the C coordinates. Plus into minus, minus. 2 1s to 2 5. This is get cancelled. Plus into minus, minus. 2 minus root 3. Y coordinate is only 1, 5. And second one. Minus into minus, plus. 2 plus root 3, comma 5. Y coordinate is only 1. 2 minus root 3 comma 5 and 2 plus root 3 comma 5. Two answers are correct. In option given only 2 plus root 3 comma 5. Only this coordinate is given. 2 plus root 3 comma 5. Question number 30. If the points 0 comma 0, 3 comma root 3, P comma Q form an equilateral triangle and Q1 comma Q1 comma Q2 are the two values of Q, then Q1 plus Q2, then Q1 plus Q2. Here the four options are given. This is the concept. Listen here, the concept already you know. If capital A x1 y1 and B x2 comma y2 are two vertices of equilateral triangle, then the third vertex. This is the formula: x1 plus x2 plus or minus root 3 y1 minus y2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 minus or plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2. Here observe that in third vertex x coordinate is two x coordinates are there. In x coordinate two x coordinates. In y coordinate also two y coordinates. Here in this question the third vertex is p comma q. First vertex let a equal to 0 comma 0. This is x1 y1. B equal to 3 comma root 3. This coordinates x2 y2. Here let c is equal to p comma q. Here to find q. Q is the y coordinate. Y coordinate is two y coordinates. One y coordinate is q1. Second y coordinate is q2. To find q, sum of the q1 plus q2. Only here to find y coordinate only. To apply the y coordinate formula, p is the x coordinate, q is the y coordinate. Q is equal to y1 plus y2 minus r plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2. This is the y coordinate formula. Here y1 equal to 0, y2 equal to root 3. 0 plus root 3 minus r plus root 3 into x1 minus x2. x1 is 0, x2 is 3. 0 minus 3 by 2. Here two y coordinates are there. q1 is equal to root 3 minus into minus plus 3 root 3 by 2. 3 root 3 plus root 3, 4 root 3 by 2, 2 1 so 2 get cancelled, 2 root 3. This is q1. q2 equal to root 3 plus into minus root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 plus root 3 by 2 is there. Here root 3 plus into minus root 3 minus 3 root 3 by 2 is there. Minus 3 root 3 plus root 3 minus 2 root 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled, minus root 3. Here sum of q1 plus q2. To find q1 plus q2. q1 equal to 2 root 3, q2 equal to minus root 3. 2 root 3 minus root 3, root 3. Second option is correct. Question number 31. If 2 comma 4 comma 2 are the extremities of the hypotenuse of a right angled isosceles triangle, then the third vertex. These are the four options. Here this is the triangle, right angled isosceles triangle. Here A, B are the extremities of the hypotenuse. This is 90 degree. See this point. Let A equal to one extremity of hypotenuse, B equal to other extremity of hypotenuse, x1 y1, x2 y2. Here in the diagram, capital A 2 comma 4, capital B 4 comma 2. Listen here, this is the triangle ABC, right angled isosceles triangle. Here the right angle property, the 90 degree vertex in A, x coordinate is 2. In B, y coordinate is 2 comma 2. This is 1. Next, here one end of the hypotenuse of B, here x coordinate is 4. Here y coordinate is 4 comma 4. 2 comma 2, 4 comma 4. This is the first option correct. By formula, right angle isosceles triangle, third vertex C is equal to x1 plus x2 plus or minus y1 minus y2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 minus or plus x1 minus x2 by 2. This is the formula. Here x1 plus x2, 2 plus 4, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, plus or minus y1 minus y2, 4 minus 2, 2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2, y1 4, y2 2, 4 plus 2, 6, minus or plus x1 minus x2, x1 2, x2 4, 2 minus 4, minus 2 by 2. Here first one 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2 by 2, comma first one minus into minus plus 6 plus 2 by 2, and second one in x coordinate 6 minus 2 by 2, 6 minus 2 by 2. Here plus into minus, minus 6 minus 2 by 2, 6 plus 2 8, 8 by 2 4, 6 plus 2 8, 8 by 2 4, and 6 minus 2 4, 4 by 2 2, 6 minus 2 4, 4 by 2 2. By formula, the third vertex is 4 comma 4 and 2 comma 2. First option is correct. In the diagram also, first option is correct, 2 comma 2 or 4 comma 4. Here question number 32, if 1 comma a, 2 comma b, c square comma minus 3 are the vertices, then the condition for its centroid to lie on the x-axis. Here first vertex in a triangle, let a equal to 1 comma a, x1 y1, b equal to 2 comma b, x2 y2, c equal to c square comma minus 3, x3 y3. This is the coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis. This is the origin. Here centroid G is equal to centroid of the triangle lies on x-axis given in question. Lies on x-axis means y coordinate is 0. Lies on x-axis means y coordinate is 0. In centroid x coordinate x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y coordinate y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Centroid lies on x-axis means y coordinate is 0. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 equal to 0. y1 a, y2 b, y3 minus 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 equal to 0. 3 into 0 is 0. a plus b minus 3 equal to 0. a plus b equal to 3. This is the condition. Here the centroid lies on x-axis. Take the condition y coordinate of centroid is 0. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 equal to 0. 3 into 0 0. a plus b minus 3 equal to 0. a plus b equal to 3. This is the second option is correct. Question number 34. Capital A 3x1 comma 3y1. Capital B equal to 3x2 comma 3y2. Capital C equal to 3x3 comma 3y3 are the vertices of a triangle with orthocenter h is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3. Then the angle ABC. Here the four options are given. In a triangle, 3 vertices are given. Capital A 3x1 comma 3y1. Capital B 3x2 comma 3y2. Capital C 3x3 comma 3y3. These are the vertices of the triangle ABC. Here orthocenter of the triangle is given. Orthocenter h equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3. These are the coordinates of the orthocenter H. Here, to find the centroid of the triangle ABC, G is equal to centroid of the triangle ABC, centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, 3x1 plus 3x2 plus 3x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, 3y1 plus 3y2 plus 3y3 by 3. Here 3 is common, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, 3 get cancelled. Here also 3 is common, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 get cancelled. The final coordinates of centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3. To observe that, here the centroid coordinates x1 plus x2 plus x3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3. Orthocenter coordinates also x1 plus x2 plus x3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3. If the triangle is equilateral, then centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter. Centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter all coincide. In which triangle? Equilateral triangle. A triangle is equilateral triangle. Here centroid coordinates, orthocenter coordinates are same. Then triangle ABC is an equilateral. In equilateral, each angle is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Here angle ABC in the question 60 degree, angle ABC. Radians pi by 3. 60 degree is equal to pi by 3. Second option is correct. Question number 35. Circumradius of the triangle with vertices 2a comma 0, 2a comma 2b, 0 comma 2b is, 4 options are given. In a triangle, let it be first vertex capital A equal to 2a comma 0, capital B equal to 2a comma 2b, 2a comma 2b, capital C equal to 0 comma 2b. Here to observe that 2a comma 2b, this is x coordinate, this is a y coordinate. Here 2a is x coordinate in A, here 2b is y coordinate in C. Then 2a comma 2b is the 90 degree vertex. Here this is the diagram, this is the diagram. Here b equal to 2a comma 2b, 2a comma 0 lies on x-axis, 2a comma 0 lies on x-axis, this is x-axis, capital A 2a comma 0, capital B 0 comma 2b. Here 2a comma 2b is also lies on 2a comma 2b. This is 2a, this is 2b. To draw a triangle, here this is 2a units, 2a comma 2b. This is C vertex 90 degree, 90 degree. This is the triangle. 90 degree opposite vertices is hypotenuse. Here this is C coordinate, this is capital A coordinate, B equal to 2a comma 2b. Let A equal to 2a comma 0 lies on x-axis, C equal to 0 comma 2b lies on y-axis. This is origin, this is origin. Next B equal to 2a comma 2b. This is the distance 2a, this is the distance 2b. B equal to 2a comma 2b. Here to find radius of the triangle, this is the diameter, AC is the diameter. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse, A and C are the hypotenuse end points. Hypotenuse is the diameter. Diameter is AC, distance between 2 points. 2a minus 0 whole square 2a whole square 4a square. 0 minus 2b whole square 4b square. 4 is common, a square plus b square. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 into root of a square plus b square. This is the diameter. In the question, circumradius diameter by 2. Here diameter is AC by 2. 2 into root of a square plus b square by 2. 2 get cancelled. Square root of a square plus b square. This is the answer, fourth one. Listen here. If the right angle triangle is there, hypotenuse is the circumdiameter. Circumradius is half of the diameter. Okay, this is the 2D coordinate system level 1 pattern type question. Next video also discuss about level 1 pattern type and level 2 pattern type. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.